Yo, guys, how's everything going? Welcome back. This is another episode of our HTML small project. It's called Learn HTML Forms by Building a Registration Form. Oh, you see the certification project, they are separated in each area. That's cool. If we see the older one, the legacy responsive, they are, they were like a stack, a pile. That's crazy, really crazy. You see this new one, much more, cool, much cooler, much more cooler. Path 31, step 31. Finally start. Moving on to the final view set. Whatever you want to allow a user to upload a profile picture. Well, the input type file allows just that. Add a label with the text, upload a profile picture. The input type file allows just that. Add a label. Where's the label? Add a label with the text. Upload a profile picture. Yeah, label. The input type file allows just that. Add a label with the text, upload a profile picture label, and add an input accepting file. And add a input accepting file. What is that? src or href? Sorry. Oh, I don't know. To be sent to a website, I guess. But didn't pass. Should add a label with the text upload. Oh, sorry, I forgot some part of it. Just forgot some part of it. Type of file. Image. Or a button. Type of a file. Oh. Wow, that's cool. Oh, choose file. Oh. Congrats. Congrats. Yeah, congrats. Add another label after the first with the text. Input your age, years. How old are you? Input your age, years. Then next an input with the type of number. Add another label after the first with the text. Input your age, years. Oh, that's crazy! So crazy! 这怎么写? Add another label after. How to write this? After the first. Okay. This is the other. This is another label. With the text, input your age, years, space, and then input with the type of number. Next. Well, let me see what happens. What the hell? What the hell is going on? Next, Add a minimum attribute to the input with a value of 13 because users under the age of 13 should not register. If minimum attribute to the wow, that's cool. Minimum to 13. Also, user probably will be be over 125. With older than 125. 20. And max attribute with a value of. If someone tries to submit a form with value outside of a range, a warning will appear and form will not submit. Give it a try. Yes, input your age. Wait. Oh, there's a space. Adding a drop down to the form is easy with the select element. The select element is a container for a group of option elements, and the option element acts as a label for each drop down option. Both elements require closing text. Start by adding a select element below the two label elements. Then, nest 5 options elements within the select element. Start by adding a select element. Add a select element below the two label elements. What is this? An element. Then that's 5 option. Wow. Yeah, is this self-closing? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And select. Wow, what is it? That's cool. Please fill out this form. Selection. Where's? Wow, that's cool. So cool. HTML is so cool. Next, the select element with this option element with the label element with the text. How did you hear about us? The text should come before the select element. Come before the. Oh, holy shit, that's crazy. How did you hear about it? The label. That's the select element within a label. What? Element with the text. How did you hear about it? The text should come before the select element. Should come before the select element. Come before. What? What does that mean? Select element. That's the select element with the label element. With the label. Within a label element. What? Within a label. Within a label element. Within a label element. Okay. Well, that's goddamn crazy. How did you hear about this? Wait. Within the option. With this next select element. Within a label element with the text. With its select with off. The text should come before the text should come before the select element. Text should come before the select element. Why? I guess I know it now. The drop down options are currently 就是下拉的这个 drop down. Give them content. Add the following text to each subsequent option element. Select one. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, YouTube channel, haha. Forum. Other. What? Text freeCodeCamp news. Yeah, I guess there are a lot of weird things. You see this enter. It came to a wrong place actually. Yeah, that'll be pretty cool. Submitting the form with an option selected would not send a useful value to the server. As such, each option needs to be given a value attribute, without which the text content of the option will be submitted to the server. Give the first option a value of double quote. Let's do this! Let's do this! Let's do this! Let's do this! Where's the option? A value of and subsequent option value. Wow. The subsequent sequence 序列 sequence sequent sequent 就是连续的哦 subsequent 是随后的 subsequent option value attributes from 0 to what? Where should I write it? Write down a value. Oh wow. Should I read like this? Oh. Option should be 4. I guess this is correct. Let's pass it then. The text area element acts like an input element of type text, but comes with the added benefit of being able to receive multi-line text and an initial number of text rows and columns. Columns 是柱子 column 是符号column 是那个句号 column 是冒号period 是句号 column 是冒号然后 comma 是逗号然后 semicolon 是那个 semi 号 semi 分号对 this is called semicolon and this is called colon and this is period 其实英文叫句点中文叫句号 this is period, this is comma. User will be able to register with the file and label with the text provided file at the end of the field set. Add a text area element inside the label element. Note that the text area requires a closing tag. The text area requires a closing tag. You know, that's goddamn crazy. What should I write down? What? Text area element. What text area? Acts like a input element of a type text. Oh, wow. Wow. That's crazy, you know. Oh, yeah. Yes， 刚刚去了 B 站的那个 UP 主交流群啊，真的是神奇。哔哩哔哩 uploaders conversation or talking group, WeChat group. It's really cool. DOCTYPE HTML, HTML. What am I doing? The text area element acts like an input element of input text, but comes with the added benefit of being able to receive multi-line text and an initial number of text rows and columns. User will be able to register with the bio, add a label with the text provided bio at the end of the field step. At the end of the field step, provide add a label. PROVIDEA provided bio and what? Label. That's crazy. Oh no！ 最近发现，我最近有点真的是，哎呀，这个微信啊，整的太多了，真的对，有时候有些负面影响，真的有负面影响。别想微信了，don't forget those WeChat things, WeChat messages. Toxic. It's really toxic. The text area element acts like an input element. 我看了什么东西 ？At the end of the field set, you should add a set as a text area element inside the label. Inside the label, text area element within the label element. Is this element self-closing? I don't think it's self-closing. It has siblings. No, a label text provide a bio. You know, it's goddamn crazy. You should give the label a text. What? It's like bullshit. Totally bullshit. No, totally bullshit. Totally bullshit. You should give the label text of provide a bio. Give the label a text of provide a bio. 我给了。Well, is there anything? Should give the label a text of provide a bio. I gave the label element. Wait. Oh. I guess it really is self-closing. Oh, screw it, you know, screw it. Provided bio. What? Yeah, it's so weird. You didn't let me write anything, but just a pure element. That should work. Link the applicable form elements and their label elements together using profile picture, age, referrer, and bio as values for the respective ID attributes. I'm going to screw this thing. Oh, link the applicable form elements and their label elements together using profile picture, age, referrer, and bio as values for the respective ID attributes. respective ID attribute use profile picture， 这是 ID attribute 是吧？ID attributes as values， 这个我记得这个 ID 它好像是中间是怎么隔着呢？是空格键啊，还是我不是特别会？I don't know quite much. Link the applicable form elements and their label elements together. Applicable form. Where is the applicable form? Applicable form. Label ID. Applicable form. Option label. Select label area. Oh, label area. Profile picture, age, reference, and bio, as well as for the respective age. Where's age? Oh, how do you input your age? ID equals age, and this is profile picture. Let's write them ourselves. Don't copy and paste. Don't just copy and paste. Use profile label. You know, it's like BS, totally BS. Totally BS. It's like, you know, profile picture, form elements, and label. This age. Refer and bio as a value. Where's that bio? Oh, bio. Bio what? What is bio? Biology. Bioware. Malware. Bio what? Biology. Biowar. Bio what? Oh, just bio. Just bio. Bio is called 个人简历 in Chinese. Bio. Biography is called biology. Biography. 传记个人简历. Yeah, if you it's a abbreviation of biography. Abbreviation. Biology. Okay, bio. Write a bio. Provide a bio. 个人小传. Okay. Link the applicable form elements and their label elements together. Use the profile picture, age, reference, bio as values. So that should work, I guess. Wait, is that? The input element should have an ID of profile. Implement. The input. Oh, they should share the same things. ID equals the profile. They must have ID. And I must write them myself in order to bear those things in mind. Picture, profile, picture, PICTURE, PICTURE. Oh, label, ID, you know, it's like ID equals age. Yeah, it's like BS, totally BS, so weird. BS, weird. How did you hear about this? 1, 2, refer, ID equals refer. Where's the input? I don't see any input here. Refer, 推荐者. Wait. Text areas. ID of profile. First input element should have ID of profile picture. Oh, I forgot another quote. Select. Oh, wow. Select ID of referrer of referrer. The text area element should have an ID of file. The text area element should have an ID of file. Should have an area of file. The text area element should have an ID of file. It's like BS. It's like totally BS. Totally BS. Yeah, it's like bullshit. Bullshit. Yeah, it's like what? It's like BS. ID of file. Oh, you see those ID. One is one ID. Some part of IDs are within labels, and other parts of ID are at elements below it, below the label, within the label. Yes. That may be hard to understand if you just hear my words, but if you write them down, yeah, it's clear. What? The second element should have a 4, label 4. Oh, label ID equals age. Label 4. I don't have a good feeling about this. Wait. Oh, label 4. I screwed it up. Label 4. Profile picture. Is that profile picture? Profile picture, I guess so. Label 4. 4 bio, label 4. Input ID, label 4. Label 4. Yeah, you cannot just literally see those things up. They didn't say 4, but you got to remember it. You cannot just literally do what they told you, with some thought. With some thought. With some thought. The text area appears too small. To give it an initial size, you can add the rows and columns attributes. Add an initial size of 3 rows and 30 columns. Add an initial size of 3 rows and 30 columns. Text area. Where's the text area? Seems too small. Oh. Yeah, what did I got in my notes? The text area element acts like an input element of a type text, but comes with the added benefit of being able to receive multi-line text and an initial number of text rows and columns. Oh, wow. The text area appears too small. To give it an initial size, you can add the rows and columns attribute. Add an initial size of 3 rows and 13 columns. Oh, 13 columns. 13 columns. 13 columns. It's like BS. BS. Totally BS. Totally BS. Yes. BS. Text area. Add the rows and cross attribute. Where are those things? Add an initial size of 3 rows and 30 columns. Initial size of 3 rows and 30 columns. What? Where? Where are those things? Initial size of 3 rows and 30 columns. Initial size. Row. Oh. Attribute. Columns. Row or yes. Column 就是柱子那种。Column 是冒号 ，column 是 column means those straight things. Cos equals 40, 30. Wow. Wow, that's really crazy. And then initial size of 3 rows and 30 columns. We'll give the text area and rows the attribute with value 3. Rows S. Sounds like an S. How far did we went through? 30 minutes, 31 minutes, 45 seconds. Step 40, only 40. Oh, that's slow, kind of slow. Seems it's getting more and more difficult. To give campers an idea of what to put in their biography, not biography, just bio, a similar abbreviation, more than abbreviation. The placeholder attribute is used. The placeholder accepts the text value, which is displayed until the user starts typing. Where's the form? Yeah, label 4. Text area. Yeah, it's really like the placeholder. Oh, this is the initial thing. Let's read the yeah. To give campers an idea. Yeah. Wow, that's a lot. Really a lot. With form submission, it is useful and good practice to provide each submittable. Oh, each submittable element with a name attribute. This attribute is used to identify the element in the form submission. Give each submittable element a unique name attribute of your choosing, except for the 2 radio input. What? That's really a lot. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Give each of them what? I forgot. Unique name attribute. Or unique name. We should give a file. Where's the file? Yes. Ah, come on, come on. Sorry, your code does not pass. Keep trying. Oh, shit. Really, really a lot. I don't want to move my finger. Let's have a look. Each of them is name. What name? Oh, each of them. Label for input ID. Label for input ID. Label for input ID. Field set. Yeah, that's field set. Where should I get what in? Get what? Oh, I forgot what I should do. Get those stupid little things in. Get those stupid little names in. Enter a last name. Oh. Label for input ID new password. Name equals new password. Label for. I don't know what submit. Name equals age. Or add those things inside input. Ah, haha. This is correct. But why? Just give them some names. But what should I do? Input. Name equals. First name. Input ID name. Input ID name. Input ID name. Label for name. Business account input ID. Type radio. Name. Business account label. Business account label. Label for terms and conditions. Name equals this. Yeah, you know, it's like yes. Label for name. Input ID type required. Name. Accept. Label for. I think I should name it. Type equals file. Let's just give it a name called file. Oh. Let's give it a name called what? H. Wait, what? What did he say? For radio, 2 radio input. Except for 2 radio input. I need to add other names to other input. Give them a name. Just give them a name because they're similar. They have a similar function. Name equals file. Name equals file. name equals file. It's like BS level 4. Name equals refer. Bucket. Yeah, it's like BS. Text area. Should also add a name inside of text area. Actually, if I was the real designer, I think I need to press a lot of enter. Yeah, because it's really disgusting now. Text area. Can you just make it self-closing? Okay. Much more cleaner. Congratulations. Your code passes. Submit your code. Continue. To continue. The HTML for registration form is finished. Now you can spruce it up a bit. Starting by changing the font to Tahoma. 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 Just stop watching WeChat. The HTML for registration form is finished. Now you can spruce it up a little bit. Start by changing the font to Tahoma. What is the font called Tahoma? Oh, it's just a font. Tahoma. Wow. What? I cannot see the difference. And the font size too. In the body. No, I don't think I need to add them. Oh shit. Wow. Font family. Oh wow. What? Oh, it's not font, it's font family. Called Tahoma. Wow. This is called Tahoma. Tahoma is really, really beautiful. A beautiful font family. There is a beautiful font family called Tahoma. I guess it's from Japan. Tahoma. I used to learn a lot of Americans used to learn Japanese in the old days. What's going to happen next? Now they're learning Chinese. Center the H1 and the P elements by giving them a margin of 1 em auto. Center the H1 P elements by giving them a margin of 1 em auto. Then align their text in the center as well. Align their text in the center as well.这个东西怎么隔开？是空格吗？我觉得这样吗？I forgot how to add two things together. Not to sum, but A and B is N. I don't know what to write. I don't know if I need to write that symbol. Let's create center the H1 and P elements by giving them a margin of 1 em auto. Then align their text in the center as well. Align them the center as well. Oh, comma! I forgot. Comma separated element sector. The style the H1 and P. Align. Oh, text align. Oh, center to enter those things. Should use a comma separated element, right? What? The code does not pass. Keep trying. Yeah. Wait. Just don't know what to do next. What, did I do anything wrong? Margin. M-A-R-G-I-N. Text align A-I-G-H-N. H1, not H-I. Oh. What if I just... Oh, that's cool. H1 and P margin. Margin 1 em auto. Text align center. Center the form element by giving margin with 0 auto. Then fix its size to a maximum width of 500 pixels and a minimum width of 300 pixels. In between that range, allow it to have a width of 60 VW by giving it a margin of 0. Oh, wow. Okay, center the form. Take the size with for 500 pixels. Is this correct? In between that range, allow it to have a width of what? 60 VW. How to write this? Oh, that's crazy. That's really goddamn crazy. A max width of 500. So I think that would work in different, browsers, or different, not browsers, but resolution, or different platform, PC and P. Hats. What does P mean? PC means personal computer. P means self. What? Mobile. Margin 0 auto with 60 BW. Max with 500 pixel. Minimum with 300 pixel. What is this? Oh, margin. Ah. And oh, margin. This is a row. It's column. Column. Then it's vertical. Then how to say that? Parallel. Horizontal and vertical. Yeah, it's horizontal first, and then it's it's vertical and then horizontal. Vertical and horizontal. Vertical and horizontal. Vertical and horizontal. Yo, that's cool. That's so cool. Oh yeah, let's go. Submit and go. During development, it is useful to see field set default borders. However, they make the content appear too separated. Remove the border and add 2 rem of padding only to the top and bottom of each field set. Be sure to remove the padding from the left and the right. Be sure to remove the padding from the left and right. Where is the padding? Field set default borders. Where is the field set default border? They make the content appear too separated. That's crazy. Remove the border only to the top of and the bottom of each field set. Be sure to remove the padding from left and right. Where is that? Where is it? Padding. Padding is similar to margin, I remember. Padding. What? Remove the border. Rem of padding only to the top and bottom of each field set. To remove padding from the left and right. Where are those things? Where are those things? Where? Where are those things? Where? Oh, where? God damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Oh shit! Ah. Oh, I see. RAM. During development, it's useful to see this. Let's do this FIE LD field set. What is it? Huh. Oh, it's round, then which made the CSS failed, I guess, or something. Field set. Remove the border and padding. border. Oh, remove the border. Oh, I thought that the border was in HTML. Yeah, wait, what? Padding, not paddling. No, padding. It's called padding. Oh, it's it's vertical, then horizontal. Yes, it's vertical first and horizontal. Oh, cool. And 2 EM and only to the top and the bottom. Only to the top and the bottom of each field set. Only to the top. I hate this, you know. It's crazy. What? What padding? RAM, not EM, but RAM. 2 REM. Step 46. We'll leave step 46 for another episode. We're going to end this anyway. We are going to end this anyway. If you really like my video, please leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Subscribe.